Hey, I'm the co-founder at Twiz. I'm making this video so I can show you how to make a high converting email copy in under 15 seconds, utilizing like Chat GPT, OpenAI's new release. And the cold email copy is actually very, very good, depending on how you do it. So I'm going to show you how to make a very high converting email copy, and I'm actually using this in my own tests. I send out over 500,000 cold emails a month between myself and all my clients. So I'll show you the exact formula I've used that you can replicate with ChatGPT to come up with a really good template. So I'll show you now. So right here, create a cold email copy. So again, you want to go to chat.openai.com. So create a cold email template for digital, and you want to put your company or like the type of company, digital marketing agency offering or let's just say lead generation services to offering lead generation services. And let's just do a lead magnet for 2 weeks free to SaaS business owners. And you could put in location as well, in California. So I'm going to remove the in California. And if it's too long, there's certain things we can do. And I'm going to create tonality too, create an exciting cold email copy. So when you're done with this, you hit submit, right? And it'll start creating it. So this is the formula I'm using right now. And it'll generate, your cold email copy in 15 seconds, unless there's some bug here. So just give it some time. If not, I'll copy this just in case I have to refresh if it timed out. Sometimes it does bug out like this. I don't know why. So I'll just save and submit. Yep. Hi there. I hope this finds you well. My name is Raymond. I'm the owner of your digital market. We specialize in providing lead generation services to SaaS business owners like yourself. We have a team of experts who are skilled at creating and implementing. So this could be a little long. So then I could go in here, create a short and exciting, and then I can submit it here like this. Are you tired of struggling to generate leads for your SaaS business? Look no further. Our digital marketing agency is specializing in lead generation for SaaS business like yours. For a limited time, we're offering 2 weeks of free lead generation services to help you grow your business. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to increase your leads and revenue. Sign up now to get started and see the results for yourself. We look forward to working with you and helping your business thrive. Great. You could do this for almost any industry. So we could do the same thing. Email template for a landscaping business offering. Landscaping business offering. You're offering a free. I don't even know what they offer. I'm just like offering landscaping services to, let's just say, homeowners in Los Angeles, California. And I'm going to do homeowners within 10 miles of Los Angeles, California. And then I'm going to do submit. There you go. Dear homeowner, are you tired of looking at dull, uninviting outdoor space? Let us help you transform it into a beautiful and inviting oasis with our landscaping service. That's amazing. We are a local landscaping business serving homeowners within 10 miles of LA, California. Our team of expert landscapers will work closely with you to create a custom plan that fits your vision and budget. From design and installation to maintenance and irrigation, we offer a full range of services to help you achieve. Don't wait any longer to make your outdoor space something to be proud of. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. Let us help you. That's solid. You can just do minor edits, but I guarantee you this is already better than what 90% of the cold emails I receive or I see other agencies doing. So give this a shot, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.